Restore StarMaker purchases, how to fix missing coins and paid VIP. Now if you paid for a subscription or for coins but you did not receive the coins on StarMaker, there could be various reasons. The first thing you can do is to just refresh the application like this. So simply pull down from the top, swipe down like this and refresh it, and make sure you've got a stable internet connection as well. If that is not helping, you can try to check for your transaction history. So if you paid using Google Play, right? Open up your Play Store, go to your profile and go to payment and subscriptions. Here go to subscriptions and see if you see your purchase over here, and if you paid using Apple ID, you can try to check your purchase there. The other thing you can do is you can go to the Me section from the bottom right and tap the gear icon from the top right hand side, and for once log out of your account, close the app completely and re-log in again to see if it shows you your purchases. If it's still not showing, the final option is to contact the customer support. So tap on this option called Customer Service Center right here and tap on Report a Problem. Now over here, go to the option Recharge, Refund or VIP, and let's select VIP. So over here, let's say haven't received the VIP, I subscribed and select it, and over here you can go ahead and then try to restore each and everything, and then you can tap on the restore button on the VIP page. So when you're over here, you come back to this get VIP now, and if you have got a subscription, you'll find the option called restore, which you can simply tap on it to be able to restore your purchases. And this way you will then be able to go ahead and then restore your VIP purchases. Hope this video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.